Hey there, aspiring photographers. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Captain, and today we have an exciting and informative video in store for all the photography beginners out there. In this episode, we'll be delving into the world of DSLR photography and learning how to avoid those common mistakes that often trip up newcomers. Are you ready to take your photography game to the next level? Let's dive right in. DSLR photography can be an exhilarating journey, but it can also be overwhelming, especially for beginners. Fear not, though. Today will be your guide, showing you how to steer clear of those stumbling blocks and capture stunning images from the start. One of the most common mistakes is ending up with blurry images. We'll share foolproof tips on how to achieve crystal clear shots and eliminate those pesky blurs. Exposure is the heart and soul of photography, and nailing it is essential. We'll break down the exposure triangle and teach you how to get the perfect balance of light, shadows, and highlights. Struggling to get that perfect focus? Don't worry, we got you covered. We'll explore different focusing techniques to ensure your subjects are sharp and well-defined. Overexposure can wash out your images and ruin a good shot. Learn how to handle bright conditions and prevent those blown-out highlights. On the flip side, underexposure can lead to dark and dull images. We'll show you how to brighten up your compositions without losing any precious details. Composition is the art of arranging elements in your frame, and it can make or break a photograph. We'll reveal simple yet powerful composition techniques to take your images from ordinary to extraordinary. White balance is often overlooked, but it plays a significant role in the overall look and feel of your photos. We'll help you understand white balance and how to set it right for accurate colors. Shaky hands can lead to shaky shots. We'll share tips on how to stabilize your camera and avoid unintentional camera movement. ISO is another crucial aspect that affects image quality. We'll guide you in choosing the right ISO settings for different shooting conditions. Lenses are the eyes of your camera, and using the right ones can make a world of difference. We'll discuss lens choices and which ones are best suited for specific photography styles. Congratulations! You've now gained valuable insights into avoiding those common pitfalls in DSLR photography. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and honing your skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow photography enthusiasts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more exciting photography tips and tricks. As you embark on your photography journey, always remember that every click is an opportunity to create something extraordinary. Peace out.